Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, trying to make this calendar and trying to make these numbers even. You can see that that is not in the box, and then like we get over here and these aren't in the box. I'm not gonna do them all. So the best way I found to type out something like this is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then hit the enter key. Or I called it the return key the other day in a video, and somebody didn't know what I was talking about. Then go 10, 11, and I'm hitting the return key, and we're going to go and go 31. Now I've kind of played around with this, and I know that we need 9 points to get them to kind of fit in there. So 9, not 90. Ha! 9 points. And then I can go to object and go to break them apart. And what that did, it still left the 31 and the 11 and the 10 together. And then go break these apart. So I've got individual numbers and the double digit numbers. Now, in this part, and I inadvertently, well, I did it on purpose, but I wanted to get it look like the regular calendar. So I'm not in the center of the rotation is not in the center anymore if you look, because the Corel is missing this. So we need to find out the center or have a box that's there. So I need to take my smart fill tool. I'm just going to use a light yellow. And that gives us something to center the 31 to. And you can see now it's centered. Of course, it's actually behind the page, but you can go to order or put it on the front of the page. And that is right in the center. And what I meant by that, there's nothing here to center this by, because it's just 2 lines or 4 lines. So if you have this, if you fill in this space, you get a centerable item, and then this will center that in that item. We don't have to move it to the front of the page because we can just move out of the way. Now what we need to do is don't do anything but double click on it and move the center rotation to the center. And by doing that, it's not there. I don't know if I'm there yet either. There we go. And then just rotate it, and I'm going to say a negative 45 degrees right now. And that's, well, I meant a negative 90. And see, it's not quite there, but we're still on the rotation, so just double click it and move it to the center. Now, I might figure out another way to do it, but if we take the 1 and do the exact same thing, you can kind of get the idea. There's really no way that I know of to do it differently right now, because of the fact that it's, if it was all single digits, you could just put them over there. But since it's double digits, it's not a certain angle. You know what, I might be getting the yellow box, and that was. It's kind of hard to get that 1. There we go. And then I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees. And you see because we're working from the center, so I should actually, mathematically, you could figure that out. And then just do that to the other numbers, and they'll be in the box. The other ones will be a lot easier. Like if we type out the 1 through 12, it would be exactly the same. The years, just type out 2022. 2022, enter. 2023, enter. 2024. And then when you have them, you can go up to object and break them apart, but you still have individual names. We're going to make these let's make these like 10 points. And then you would do exactly the same. I would actually put them into the center of the page. Look at that. It actually went into the quadrant. I am going to figure out a better way. We might be able to do it with boxes. So that's in the center of the page. And then double click on it and move your center to the center. Then, yes, you're right. There's got to be a better way. So, if we thought about it, this was 180. Just get out a calculator real quick. It's Well, it was 36 degrees, if I remember right. So let's just rotate this 36 degrees. And look, it put it right in the spot. Now take this other one, if that's the spot it goes in. And with this one, we don't have really a quadrant, but we could go up there and then just hold down your control button and move it. And then rotate this 36 degrees. Whoop, I didn't move the center rotation to the center of the box. So this would be a little bit easier, and then rotate it 36 degrees. And then those two numbers are perfect. I might think about this. There might be a way to make that shaped box and put all the numbers into the box and then spread them out over that 180 degrees. But anyway, I hope this at least got this young man a start on how to make this calendar. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.